Rescue veterinary disinfectants can be an essential tool in stopping the spread of kennel cough. Kennel cough is a respiratory disease that can spread quickly where dogs gather. It can spread a variety of ways through contact with infected animals, airborne droplets from coughing, sneezing, or barking, or the sharing of food and water dishes. While kennel cough can be treated with antibiotics, once a dog has this infection, they will become highly contagious and can become susceptible to pneumonia. If an outbreak occurs, or if dogs are confirmed or even suspected of having kennel cough, they must be handled with strict isolation. Cleaning and disinfecting procedures are very important to control the spread of this disease. Rescue products can be used to both clean and disinfect. Rescue veterinary disinfectants are EPA-registered disinfectants that carry a claim against kennel cough. Rescue wipes and Rescue ready-to-use liquid kills kennel cough with a contact time of 1 minute.